Hi, I'm Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with today's Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today I want to talk about cheap versus efficient. It's human nature to want to try to get the best price you can for something when buying it. Well, that's not always the best policy when purchasing media. An example, you're looking at radio stations and one radio station costs $50 per spot. However, each spot only reaches 1,000 people. Conversely, station number 2 costs $100, but it reaches 10,000 people. That is much more efficient. Even though you're spending more money, you're reaching a lot more people per dollar. To learn more about Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP.